when adding fractions with common denominators, these are not bad. You'll kind of like these. So as long as you've got matching denominators, the only thing you need to be concerned about is the numbers on top, the numerators. In this case, both fractions have a denominator of 7. So your answer is a denominator of 7. And then you add the numerators together. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 over 7. Now is the tricky part. This is an improper fraction. It's top heavy. The 8 is larger than the 7. And remember that any fraction is also a division problem. This is the same as 8 divided by 7. So do the division and reduce it. You'll have to convert it to a mixed fraction. 8 divided by 7 is 1. 7 goes into 8 one time. That's a remainder of 1. And then bring over the denominator. 1 1/7. That will be your answer on the test. This will not. All right, let's try this one. 11 over 16 plus 13 over 16. Our denominator stays the same. We don't have to do any alteration. And then 11 and 13 equals 24. Now, again, we've got an improper fraction. We're going to have to convert it to a mixed fraction. So again, 24 divided by 16 is 1. Remainder 8 over 16. But we're not done. That's an 8, by the way. This also can be reduced. Anytime you have two even numbers, you know you can reduce. And often when you have an uneven and an even, it's or an odd and an even, you can still reduce. It's all about multiples. But in this case, 8 over 16 can be reduced. You can cut it in half. You can figure out what goes into each number evenly. Or you know that 8 is half of 16. Your ultimate answer is 8. Is 1 1/2. All right, let's do a subtraction problem. Again, bring down the denominator. No alterations necessary. 5 minus 1 is 4. That is reducible, so we need to reduce it. You can cut them in half. 2 over 4. Cut it in half again. 1 over 2. You reduce until you cannot reduce anymore. And the last one, again, bring down the denominator. 19 minus 4 is 15. Now, this too can be reduced. It can be, because they're both divisible by 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now you're done.